back to my channel. Hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy. Sorry I haven't been able to post videos for 2 months because I had different assessments and exams at school. But today I'm back with new content for you guys, and today we're making a new food video. So for today's recipe, I'm going to be making a Vietnamese chicken pho. It's a really delicious, simple noodle dish that is really delicious and just amazing. I love the flavors in this dish. So let's get into the kitchen, let's start cooking. Let's start by making the soup. First, we will need 1 onion cut into 2 pieces. Then we'll need a piece of ginger. We will also need different spices, namely cinnamon sticks and star anise. These spices can be found at Chinese pharmacies. The most important ingredient in our soup is the chicken. It gives the soup a beautiful flavor. So to a pan on medium-high heat, we're going to add in the onion and ginger. We'll need to leave it in there for 10 minutes. And I'm going to flip the onion and ginger around so that everything doesn't burn too much. Then I'm also going to add the star anise and cinnamon sticks. When the spices are looking a little bit like this, then you can remove it from the pan and put them onto a chopping board. At this stage, we can remove the skins of the onion. I'm going to add a large amount of water into a pot, and we're going to add in all the toasted spices. After the spices, we're going to add in the chicken. Be careful and submerge the chicken completely. This broth doesn't look beautiful now, but in just an hour, everything will look amazing and delicious. So now I am removing the chicken from the soup. Oh no, the chicken slipped! After simmering the soup for 1 hour, we're going to drain away the spices and leave behind the pure soup. Add the soup to a clean saucepan and do some seasoning adjustments. I added in some salt and a little bit of fish sauce. Fish sauce is one of the most prominent flavors in Vietnamese cuisine. It is very tasty and tangy. Vietnamese soup is never complete without noodles, so I cooked some rice vermicelli noodles in boiling water and drained it after it was cooked. Now I am cutting up some optional ingredients for the noodle soup. I have some fish cakes in the freezer, so I'm going to use it up. After cutting the fish cakes, I'm also cutting up some Vietnamese sausage known as giak yok in Cantonese. I also cut up the chicken. It's a very tricky procedure, so I had no footage available. To a very large pot, we're going to add in the fish cakes, the Vietnamese sausage, and the noodles. So we are almost ready to eat, but before that, let us prepare some garnishes to make the dish more visually appealing. In this clip, I am chopping up some spring onion, which we will put on top of our noodle soup. For garnish and a lot of extra spice, I'm going to chop up some small red chilies. If you're afraid of spice, you can use some mild chilies instead. Now it is my favorite part, time to plate up. So to a large amount of noodles, I'm going to add in a few pieces of chicken, You can drizzle on some soy sauce on the chicken. Then I'm also adding a large amount of spring onion and chilies that we just recently prepared. I'm adding a bit more fish sauce to make the soup more flavorful. And that's it. That's my take on Vietnamese chicken pho. So when I was editing this video, I realized that I forgot to do the outro. So I just want to remind you guys to subscribe, like, and share this video as well. If you guys ever make this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram, Facebook, whatever platform you're using. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and please continue to support my videos. Bye!